Alright, somebody from the hood, the trailer park on Baseline and 80th Street they fucking, whether or not I left it somewhere or something, or I think someone grabbed it from my trailer. Anyway, it says Zippo. Someone took a Zippo, dude. It says BOSCO. And he wants it back, pretty much. Wants it back. So, whoever has it. It's a World War II Zippo, dude. It's green, Army green, and it has BOSCO written on the side of it. So whoever has it, let's give it back. I'll put my number in the description. I'll pay you. I'll pay lots of money for it, dude. He needs his Zippo back, man. He's a war hero. So, can't believe someone would gank it. Fucking motherfuckers. I see that here. He needs his Zippo back before he fucking rises from the dead. Fucking cut your fucking nuts off. Whoever had it. I'm just joking. Anyway, yeah, please.